Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make four color gradient in Photoshop. Let's begin. Example, I use press Ctrl Z, copy this background, click FX, gradient overlay, click the gradient plate. Example, I use this gradient, then double color, use one color, click anywhere, and two color, three color, four color, one, two, three, four. Then new. So just make four color gradient and use style, liner, angle, reflected, diamond. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.